the blanket stitch. With this one, you need to start on the line where you want the rope-like edge to be. Bring the needle up from the back of the fabric to the front. Take your needle back into the fabric at a diagonal from where you came out. Pull the needle down, but leave a small loop. Then, bring the needle up on the line where the rope-like edge will be. Make sure you catch the loop and pull the thread all the way through. This is the first stitch and it should look like an L shape. Then again, take your needle back into the fabric at a diagonal from where you came out. Leave a loop and make sure to catch it when you bring the needle up. Repeat these steps until you reach the end of the line or shape you are working on. For curved shapes, make the rope-like stitches smaller to maintain a smooth curved line. This stitch is also called the buttonhole stitch and is used on appliques, on edges of the fabric, and for intricate outlines. By the way, if you don't know yet how to start or finish an embroidery thread, I have a great tutorial about this on my channel. Check the link below this video. To end the stitch, you practically need to secure the last loop with a tiny stitch. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll make sure to reply to all of them.